how to use the celebration chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Now let's say you want to change this specific conversations chat theme into celebration. And now in order for you to change this specific conversations chat theme into celebration, all you have to do is to tap on that conversation itself right here and click on this eye icon on the upper corner right here. Now under customization, you are able to see this theme right here. So all you have to do is to click on that. And now you are given various options to choose from. Now in order for you to change your theme into celebration, all you have to do is to locate it right here. And now if you want to use this specific celebration chat theme on your conversation, all you have to do is to tap on that, and you are given a preview as to how your chats will look like with this theme on. So if you've decided to use this specific chat theme, all you have to do is to tap on select right here. And now you have changed this specific chat's conversation into celebration chat theme. So that's how to use the celebration chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Hope we helped.